Hey guys, welcome to our channel, Half-Ass Crew. In today's video, we work on curb rash on a polished lip. Let's see if the half-ass way gets the curb rash to go away. If you look at the bottom left of the screen where the arrow is pointing, that's where we will focus on most of the time. Best way to achieve a good final result is to wash and dry the rim thoroughly. Links to the tools that have been used throughout this video will be provided in the description. Start off by using 180 grit sandpaper. You can use a drill or you can use a sanding block with the sandpaper on there. Be careful not to hit the tire while you're sanding, and take your time sanding in this step to remove most of the scuff marks that are deep. After sanding with the drill, just do one final pass with hand so that you can get all the spots that you missed with the drill. Move up to 240 grit sandpaper and repeat step 1. Try to get all the scuff marks that you can get in this step as well. As you move along with the sanding, make sure to feel the polished lip to see if the curb rash is smoothing out. After using 320 grit sandpaper, switch to wet sanding, skip 400 grit, and move straight to 800 grit sandpaper. From here on, we just use 800 grit sandpaper, then you move to 1000 grit, moving on to a 2000, and finish with a 3000 grit sandpaper. After wet sanding, move to Meguairs Ultimate Compound and Polish. Due to some technical difficulties, we weren't able to record that, but here is the before and after of what the rim looks like. Hope you enjoyed the video and the final results of our project. Thank you for watching, guys.